So, good morning to one and all. We are starting this podcast today regarding our Healy and Mag Healy, which we are using since 1 year. So, this is entirely based on frequency therapy and vibration, and it can be called as a frequency treatment also because it is used in treating various animals, plants, and humans, building car. There are many programs which are useful for all the living beings and whichever objects which emit the energy. Every object is made of protons, neutrons, atoms. Everyone knows this. We are not only human is also not only made of flesh. They are made up of emotions, and the objects are made up of atoms and molecules. Water is made up of molecules. So these are the basic things which we learn in the physics in our school time. So that is applicable till now. And if you know about the human body, you can start using your Healy without any consultation because it is user friendly and there is no need to worry that someone should come and give a certification. It is a certified device, and you can see here it has gone through lot of certifications. It is not just that only four people decided to do something. The Healy has cleared many international medical device certifications, approvals, and clearance. The time waiver machine had come during 2002, and from there the frequency therapy has started, and the Healy was started to means the time waiver which frequencies it is using same they have put in the compact device called as Healy. So how did they put it? That you may feel that like how did they suddenly? No, it is not like suddenly. The time waiver was already existing, and Indians maybe we knew it during 2002 and 4, and it was costing around more than 1 crore during that time itself. And now also it is more than 25 lakhs to 50 lakhs even today. But for that you need a doctor to operate the time waiver machine. But to use the Healy, you can operate, anyone can operate. If you know how to operate a phone, it is just programs which you need to operate. That is not like you have to know the software, nothing like that. If you can operate the phone, and if you can operate the Facebook or whichever Instagram or whichever social media, you can operate the Healy app also. It is in the same procedure, but you need a Healy device for that. And this device consists of a quantum sensor which is placed behind it, and this is all means invention had started from 2004 during that period, and till 2017 they had made a compact device. But that time it was like only some programs were there like gold cycle and all. But now it has gone to a very big range of programs, like 280 programs are there in the Black Hilly Mag and Mag Hilly Obsidian model. So like how the iPhone or Apple for software goes like from the models, the same way we have the Healy models. But this is entirely for your mind, body, and soul, for your health and your well-being. We are not saying anything about different entertainment and all. No, that it is not purpose of that. It is only for your well-being and your holistic healing. We are using for that. It is not used for any other purpose. So it is much more useful than the other electronic gadget because it is used for your own soul cleansing and for your betterment. So you can't compare it with other electronic device, but we are comparing because of the cost. Some people can say that why you are giving 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs for the Healy, but the time waiver has been costing more than 1 crore. But for Healy you are getting the same about 300, I mean, nearly programs in the Mahili and Magili. You are just getting it in the price of 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs, and it is not more cost if you compare. So the same work is done in the compact model, and not like some people suddenly decided to do something, and like it is not like they made some invention overnight. It is not like that. They are consisting of a medical board. There are more than 20 people in that. They are all scientists and highly educated and like inventory people, like they know about the quantum and physics, and they have studied about the Indian psychology and our chakras and whatever the spirituality is there in India, and how it is also connected to a science. Spirituality is also nothing but a science, and human body is also nothing but a science. So they have connected everything, and in the AI form, they have got the Healy. That is the main inventor or the founder. Sir is Marcus Mckay sir, and The main head office is in the Germany, and it has come from Germany to many other European states and even for Korea and Singapore and all. It has given the European confirmed certificate, means a medical certificate is given, and the clearance certificate, everything has passed, and then they have brought in India as a wellness device. They are not saying cure because, but still it is a legal, and you can say it is a medical device only in India, because in India they have given the certificate specifically where they are saying we will treat the pain. So pain means where you go to the doctor for the pain only. So they are saying that we will treat the pain with this, then it is equivalent. There is no saying that this is some secondary device. It is not like that. We are in the first only, and we are still doing more than what anyone else can do. Like one person can do one thing. Like doctor can do something different. Gurus, they do something different. The lawyers, they do something different. Each profession has their own work to do, but bringing everything in one package is what Healy is doing. That is what was the thinking of the sir when he has invented the he wanted to reach this Healy to every single person, like to the public. That was his main concern. So it is not available in any advertising and all, because we are not going to advertise. We are just going to say from mouth to mouth, because it is always on the trust, how we trust it. Once you do the ad and all, then it becomes like marketing and all, but it is not like that. They wanted that common person should understand on his own, and they should start using, because it is our own will and wish that we have to become well. Anyone should not, like, you should not depend on some third person to come and tell you that use it, because when you are not feeling well, you go to doctor or you go to whatever, even my Ayurveda or homeopathy and etc., we go. That the decision is on our own, so that time no one is coming and telling you. So this is also our own decision. We only should think that we have to become well and start the device. So like that, it is on our own decision. Nobody is forcing, but whoever are in this field, their duty is to spread the awareness, because if we don't tell also, it will be a mistake. After using and getting result, it is better to tell to 4 people, because it is not a like something to hide, not illegal and all, nothing like that. It is, everything is transparent, and companies been operating, and the time waiver machine itself has been like carried forward from then to now. Then why not the Healy? It will be carried forwarded only. And next, they have already predicted that Albert Einstein, the scientist who is there, has already predicted that the frequency will be the future. There will be no medicine, because in the medicine you have lot of procedure to follow, and you have to bring out that medicine. You have to test on peoples, and then you have to release in the market. But here, nothing like that. The frequency have already been tested, and everything has been solved and cured. Such frequency only are coming now for us through the German cloud, where they have stored that information. Through those frequency only we are getting treated. Nothing is new, nothing. They are not using any experiment on us. It is all cured and tested only they are doing. So it is a well and a safe device. So there nothing to worry about how to use and all. And everyone have got a positive result. 97% percentage is you know, you won't get so much of positive percentage about Healy anywhere else. For every user, maybe they have not reported, but every user has got at least something positive after using Healy for at least 3 months or 6 months. Nobody has got any negative result, because we are cleansing the energy. So once your bioenergetic field is cleansed, the result will be there. Like it can be, for some people it can be through health, some people well, some people relationship, but on the whole, you will get some positive result, and you will also feel. On some people may have not used it in a proper way, so they may have some confusion, but whoever have used in a proper way, they have at least got one or the other positive thinking about the Healy. So today we are starting this with the introduction, and in our house, who all we are using and what are the results we got. I will start from first is the animal program. We started with animal. So I will start from that, and later we will tell about the human program. So today we are starting with the animal program, because starting when our seniors or our leaders who had come and presented us the Healy, they actually saw that our lab which was there, his name was Apple, but he was just 40 days, and between 2 months he had got the paravirus attack. Everyone knows how much danger it is, and the chances are very less of survival. Even we knew that, but we didn't know what to do. We were just wandering from one hospital to other, and we had spent lot of money. Only purpose was that we didn't want him to end his life like only in a very short duration, because we got him and within 10 days he was not feeling well. And after that, it was like more than 20 days we spent in that hospital, this hospital, and his vomiting and everything was continuously going. But we didn't know what to do, and I was very upset also. I don't know from where and how this Healy device came. Suddenly, Umesh sir came, and he started saying about how much the Healy is useful, and even he had also purchased it recently. But I don't know why he failed to come and tell us about the Healy. But even I didn't listen to that, because I was not in the state to listen about what is Healy and all. My parents, they had listened, and I think they took the aura test also. My father had taken, but I had not taken. I was just doing Agnihotra, and I was not knowing anything about this frequency and all during that time. But only purpose was we had to save him. So only for that purpose we thought, okay, fine, we are spending so much money, we will take Healy and see. But it was like I want to say thanks to Umesh sir. He has given his own Healy to us, and I started using the animal programs on Apple, and within 2 3 days he was walking and eating food. Before that he was just vomiting, and like diarrhea and loose motion. Everything was going on. He was not feeling well at all. But he started eating, and his vomiting and all was reduced. So I got a positive feeling about Healy, but I didn't know that it will work on humans or no. That was secondary for us. We just wanted him to survive. So we said, okay, fine, we'll buy a Healy. But then suddenly, after coming to home, he was not feeling more well. So we had some doubt that maybe some Vastu or whatever energy has not cleansed in the home. So what to do? So suddenly, then Rajeshwari madam and Satish sir started to say that you have to take a Mag Healy. That is the second. Like the pro bundle, what we say, the pro combo, like the Healy and the Mag Healy is the combo. So it helps in the atmosphere cleansing and water activation. So we decided to take the both better, because even we wanted some good results in our house. So there was some problem going on in the house also. So we agreed to take the Magili also. So we gave the order, and even my mom's sister, even she said that okay, even I want some water and all, because my grandmother was not feeling well. So she said okay, we can give that energy water and also I will invest in the Maggie also. And so like that we took, first time we had taken in the like half we had taken Healy, they took the Maggie, but we used it both, that is not the problem. But while taking, even we had some financial issues going on, so we did in partnership and we took it. But after taking, like suddenly first result was like Apple was very well, and he started, like he became so energetic, and doctor was also saying that suddenly how he got so much energy. He's not looking like a 3 or 4 months dog. He has become like so big. Within 6 months, he was so big. He was already like about 20 kg. Everyone was saying that he's looking like a 1 year dog and all. And so we gave him for training. So after that, some higher official, he started liking his behavior, and he was a male dog. So we had given for training, but they felt that it is suitable for them, and for our house it is better to get a female dog. So but then I was not really willing to give him, but he got a very nice life there. He got two guards, and now today he's living a king life. Actually, I didn't expect that Apple would survive or no, but today he's living such a great life. I think it is only because of Healy's magic which has worked on him, and nothing else. Because in my whichever dogs I had taken till now, no one has lived so much better life. Like nothing should happen to him. Like no, not a evil life, but I am proud that he's living a good life. And then we took a female and came, and afterwards we brought Julie. So we brought Julie with the purpose that our Apple and Julie will blend together and all that. But Julie is a trained dog. She is 9 years old, and she has served in the police department, and she has done many other work like in searching of the criminals and whatever illegal activity and all that. They taken her for search, and she is very like expert in finding things whichever, like if she gets the smell and all, she goes behind and searches that person and the thing and all. She has done lot of service in the police department. We didn't know anything about her. We just got her like for 1 week. We'll take and come Julie, then we'll see if she adjusts. We'll keep her, or else let it be. But starting, she was not feeling like mentally she was too much low because she was not getting proper rest and all. She has given too much service in her life. So after retire, no, she wanted some relax and all. So I started animal program and water therapy on her also. And within 1 month, she was like too much changes. Now she's already like living with us since 3 months. Now you can see totally changed. Like you can't believe that first when we had seen Julie, that same Julie is with us now. She's totally looking like a different and energetic, and like she's looking a very young dog now, and she's so much active, and she has become so much friendly with us, and she has become like she likes our house so much. She doesn't likes to go away from us now. We are telling her, no, Julie, it is rainy season, but she's not liking it. When we tell her you have to go back to your house, she says that like she starts avoiding food, and she becomes emotional. When I see the program in that, it shows emotion. So I say that okay, fine. She is not willing to go from her house now because she knows that in our house the energy and whatever water and animal therapy I'm giving her, it is. I mean, she is living a good life now, so she doesn't. Obviously, it is a human or whatever living beings, our mental tendency is that we want to live a happy and peaceful life. So animals are also deserving to live a good life. It is not like only we are eligible to live. So you can see this is the second example which I'm giving in animal program. I worked so beautifully. I never thought that yeah, I could treat animals, means I could cleanse them. I could do so much good with animals. I was giving them love, but that was not enough for them because they are like too much sensitive than us. They observe the energy, they observe the negativity, and outside people, whatever they talk, everything they understand. So everything they try to observe, and they become quite, like they go to depression. And also, what I observed is the healing. It works. On the main things, that is the depression and anxiety and sleep. So these are the main problems which everyone goes through in the society. So she is recovered, and these are the three areas where the blockages healing clears. And another thing which I have to tell is, which the female dog we had brought, her cleansing and healing had started from the first day itself. I took her soul vibration and all, and she got first prize in the puppy category in Belgaum district. Actually, she had grown so beautiful during that time that she surpassed everyone. Like we had not taken her for any training, we didn't give her anything, we didn't do. Only I was running healing program on her, and suddenly she passed all the tests that day. She was like too much looking like a grown dog, and she did all the commands, she did everything. She was so active, and like how the Labrador should be in a puppy stage, she was like that. So the selection, he liked her so much. He was actually the person, the sir who had come from Goa. So he liked her so much. He was like telling she's so cute and all. I will show her later because now she's not allowing us to talk. So last section I will show who is Sona. So she got the first prize. So the animal program has worked so beautifully. Like she has grown so how the lab should be, a happy lab should be like that. She has grown like more than her age. She looks like she's so big, and she's very much active and bubbly, and how the lab should be, like how they show in the English movies. The same way our Sona is now living with us. So we will show her like that. Fourth dog is the person who is doing the video. His dog was also not feeling well. And huh? Brothers Day video ಮಾಡ Brothers Day, and the brother is doing video. Okay. So he got the black German Shepherd and Lab baby was there. So he got that, and that was also not feeling well. But I taken that's also a vibration, and I had kept because I knew that dogs will not feel well and all that will be happening. So better to give animal programs to them daily. So I give to that also. Actually, that one too got well in 2 to 3 days only. And afterwards, when we had gone for vaccine, so now when we went to give vaccine, the doctor was telling that okay, he's well only now because I didn't get to know. He was not well before 1 week. Like we thought we'll go for vaccination or no, but when we went, he was actually well because I had given him cleansing like one hour I had given. So Bantu became well. He has become more well now. He's coming to bite everyone. So much well he has become. I will ask that also to him lastly to speak. So these are the four animal examples which I have given: Apple, Julie, Sona, and Bantu. And other outside dogs are also well before they used to like expire early in our house. But because of Maggie, I keep for energy clearing and all, and so for because of that they are also well. And the Bantu is in his home, but here only I give him cleansing. Even he doesn't know because I've taken the soul recording once. Then wherever Bantu can go, but even Apple is somewhere away from me. But even today I give him cleansing. So that way I'm giving for animals daily. I'm giving cleansing for them in animal program. And now we will start with the human program. So now she has shared in Kannada, and we will give him to share in Hindi. But like in the middle, I can tell like whatever is being using for the humans, how the programs are useful for them. There are many programs for humans, like I told from starting, which is that 50,000 around we get the healing. That the basic is the gold cycle, and for head pain and bioenergetic boost, like support programs are there. Those are like 11 programs, but they're also useful, and he is using, and he's also already got many result. Like he has seen some difference. He will tell that later. Only in that 50,000 he has got some difference. Then you just imagine that in this 2 lakhs and the other black chili model, the 3 lakhs, there are so many programs like learning program for children and for where the persons, like they've told some people who had used on their children without knowing, admit knowing, they have come out of depression, and even the scores have also increased. Who are like 70%, they've gone to 90% because of the learning programs and the study program which is there in Maggie also it is there. So like the small children, they don't listen to your like whatever you say, so you can keep this without knowing in the house, and they will start doing like creativity is there, office is there, study is there, prosperity is there, and children playing is there. So there are so many in this also. In that also, like in the Healy, yeah, there are so many learning and you know, the chakra programs which can be used on the even children also. Like you can do distance by blue app, which you can use. And this is also the next model. In that, if you can't find, like you're not getting results quickly for people of our age or their age, better to take this high wave. This is the band, and I'm connecting the Healy to this, and it is continuously placed on my hand. So till the battery is there, you keep on running the program, nothing will happen. Like you can run 3 to 4 programs per day, and you can see a lot of difference. Because I was not using pink app from this Healy. I was doing for others, and for my personal, I was just using water program, and I was like, okay, fine. No, 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 I can't use the pink app because I was already in so much negativity. Even after getting Healy, also I was not using the pink app because I was not able to process the feelings which were coming out after using that. Because we are a emotional being, I'm saying, and the Gen Z or whoever this generation person, they are suffering most because of our emotions. We can't deal with our emotion, but nobody actually confesses it because nobody is there. Like you have to go to therapy, or if you go to the general doctor, they don't really listen to your feelings. They will just tell that you are suffering because of some body part, and you take and go. But there are so many blockages which are causing because of our emotions. And like there are some goals which are not happening, there are some relationship issue, there are some financial issue. So many issues are going on in the present generation, but they don't know how to process those feelings or how to be peaceful. But once I took this, and I've taken this like before 1 month, and I am now regretting that before only I had to take. Like this was launched before 6 to 8 months, but like we had taken Healy and all, and I didn't like I didn't get the idea that I have to invest on my own and I can take this. But suddenly, why I have to depend on investments? Because I have some gold and I'm just going to give. Because you generally, there is a perception in India, you sell the gold when you're in a problem. And so I am in a problem already. I don't want to wait that some problem will come in the future. But today's problem, I have to deal with that first. I can't process my emotion, and it is causing a lot of blockages in me. So I'll take the highway because it is 100 times more effective than the Healy. So I took the highway, I'm using it, and I was just regretting because see, without pills, I am surviving since 3 months, and in 1 month, I have seen so much of difference. in my mind and body and everything. I was just feeling that I had to take this before. So first you will feel that no, I don't want to take, but after taking you'll feel like I have to take more and more. Like there are so many inventions going on in this also. There are some cabs have come, and some socks has come, some blanket is going to come. There are so many, like these are coming because of the electrosensitivity issues which are going on. Like you see so much of TV, you see so much of laptop, the exposure is like so much. We give ourselves to the we give ourselves to so much to the screen, that we start feeling like our immunity goes down and we start feeling low. So there are so many devices and new cabs and all, they are coming. The sleep mask those have come out to improve your sleep, because once your sleep gets good, and there are electrosensitivity program in the bioenergetic defense, and there is the friendly flora in the power of three, and there is some other zapper protocol program. I have not done it myself, but it is a some Vedic astrology is related to this program. I didn't know because I have not used it, but it is a very good program. Many people have told that there is some 27-20, the Zapper protocol is a protocol. You have to use it like 27 and 20 in that mode you have to use, and before 6 p.m. That is also so much useful. And rebalance program, I didn't know, like conflict balance. You get into a conflict with someone and you are like, oh my god, my head is paining, then don't directly keep the head program. You can keep the conflict balance in that. So many programs are there. I can't tell like how much it is useful. Like thyroid myself, the thyroid gland harmony, that is not there in the outside market. I don't know, they are just going to give you some tablets and all, and it's not really useful. You better you use the power of three and thyroid and the gold cycle, and there are so many other, like the skin programs and beauty program, aging. You can use and you can manage your thyroid, and it will get cured also one day. Like without medicine you can survive, and your all the natural cycle will be there. Natural cycle program is also there. I didn't know that also. It has come recent. Soul cycle is there, energy cycle is there, mind wave is there, earth connection one program is there. I didn't know such program existed also. Like there are so many beautiful programs. They help you in so many ways. I can't describe. We have just used a 50% in the humans, because animals have limited program. Humans have so many programs. We can't use them also. Like in this and this and this, we have so many devices we have, but we have used only just 50 around programs till date. There is some detox program on the liver which are given to my auntie. I didn't know that program existed also, because once the problem comes, then the program will come. Then you can give that program and the treatment is done there only. So like however problems or whichever sudden things come up in the life, then you can treat it in that way. So many programs they have given already, because it is useful in the future also. You may feel that today I'm okay, and afterwards what I should do with the healing. No, it is not like that. The programs will be there, the problems will be there, and you are just going to deal with it in a effective way. So better you start using your healing from today. That is, like I'm saying with confidence today, because I've got the confidence from Healy only, not from myself. Everything is because of Healy. ವಿಡಿಯೋದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸೋನ ನೋಡಿ, ಹೀಲಿ ಡಾಗಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿ, ಹೀಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಓಡಿಸೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.